Today, I'll walk you through fixing misplaced notebook sections in Microsoft OneNote Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to rearrange your sections so you can keep your notes organized and easily accessible. First, let's get started by opening your OneNote Desktop app. Simply locate the application on your computer and double-click to launch it. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same, just like how every library has its own layout, but the books are still there waiting to be found. Once you have OneNote open, take a moment to find the misplaced section. This could be a section that ended up in the wrong notebook or perhaps one that just needs a little rearranging. Identify where it must be placed correctly. Think of it like sorting your mail. You want each letter in the right envelope. Now here comes the easy part. You can simply drag and drop the section to the notebook where it needs to be placed correctly. Click on the section you want to move, hold down your mouse button and drag it to the desired notebook. Release the mouse button and voila, your section is now in its rightful place. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time and ensure everything is where it should be. To recap, we opened the OneNote Desktop app, identified the misplaced section, and then effortlessly dragged and dropped it to the correct location. This simple process can save you a lot of time and frustration when trying to locate your notes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.